I think most of us females can attest to the fact that menstrual cramps suck. And for some, the pain is so severe that you may have had to skip school or work and literally just lay in a fetal position. The most common remedy that people reach for is ibuprofen, so either Aleve or Advil. But today I want to share with you 3 different dietary changes that you could start implementing to see if it helps relieve your pain. Firstly, try omega-3 fatty acids. There have been a ton of randomized controlled trials looking at the efficacy of omega-3s in reducing menstrual cramps and pain, and some have actually been shown that's even more effective than ibuprofen. Most studies used a range between 500 to 1,000 milligrams of EPA-DHA daily. Now, if you are a plant-based eater, you can try out a marine algae oil instead. Secondly, spice up your life with some ginger. Ginger helps inhibit the amount of pro-inflammatory prostaglandins, which in turn helps decrease the intensity of uterine contraction. It's also great for those who experience a worsening of conditions such as eczema, asthma, and headaches or migraines during their periods. Third dietary strategy is to increase your magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral, and one of its functions to act as a muscle relaxant, thereby calming the smooth muscle fibers of the uterus. Try adding in some Swiss chard, rapini, bok choy, dark chocolate, or nuts into your diet. Some may still benefit from a magnesium supplement, so choose magnesium bisglycinate as it is the easiest for the body to absorb and least likely to cause diarrhea. I hope you found these 3 dietary strategies helpful, and let me know if they work for you. Until next time, relish every bite.